this sort of brings back to the question, of systems and how systems are built over a period of years, where they're broken, and how can you stitch the silos, and that's where the whole conversation about no code becomes very interesting, or technologies and platforms like Innoveo becomes very interesting. So I want to kind of pivot this conversation in that direction. Obviously, vested interest. I might as well call it out there. But really, and I'll start with Julie, and then Wade, and then Ellen. But Julie, you are a part of an organization which has a very large technology team and has built. It's a digital, it is a digital platform, FlexPod, and here you, as a part of that organization, your initiative in the insurance world in terms of embedded insurance at the point of sale came from you've built out a platform completely on no-code technology. One, what were the barriers that you found while navigating that conversation within your organization? And second, why did you choose something like Innoveo for that initiative?
Yeah, so technology is an enabler, but it's also a big blocker in that resources are never available. They're always thin. Trying to engineer something's never an easy process. And in a case like what I'm trying to do with an embedded transaction, the organization is just totally swamped trying to figure out the huge complexity of a freight shipment, customs, all kinds of stuff. So I wasn't going to get the organization to focus in on the insurance transaction. So the question became, how can I break down those blockers and that lack of resource to create an insurance transaction and an insurance experience that's consistent with our brand as a technology company, but yet is agile. We're able to stand up quickly and not need a ton of, we call engineers makers, a ton of maker support in order to achieve. And that's where a low code, no code comes in. I think it empowers ideas, it empowers innovation, and it takes away that blocker, that belief that every innovation needs a massive technology investment that almost makes that unreachable for a lot of people and a lot of organizations. So I think low code, no code, building a stack on what someone else has built instead of home growing is always the smartest path to take. Only focus in on what makes you unique, and that's your programs, your distribution, your ecosystem. If you need to build technology that makes you truly unique, I get that, but you can also bolt on these pieces that other people have spent the time to innovate.